What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Papa, and I'm here with Nene. Say hi. Hey, y'all. And today, we're in San Antonio. Downtown at the famous Riverwalk. To ride the riverboats and to check out the scenery. And dang, those are some big boots.
Oh my gosh, focus, Papa. We're doing the intro.
My bad, Nene.
Plus, we're going to hit up the Hard Rock Cafe for a late night snack.
Oh, yeah, but that's not it.
What? We're going back to the Bay Area for Papa's championship game.
And let me tell you, I am nervous.
It's okay, Clippers. You guys got this.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
And oh yeah, just in case you didn't know,
Didn't play the pop-pop.
and ding ding. What's up, cutie pie?
I got this bag. Tell me if you like it. It calls a designer bag.
Designer bag. You're so fashionable, Ning Ning. When you get this?
For Christmas.
For Christmas. Ning Ning is so darling. It's so fashionable.
I'm gonna wear this for my outfit today. I'll see you later. Bye.
What's up, kid? Come on. What's up, kid? Oh, hi, beautiful, beautiful.
Hi.
What about you, kid? You good?
Yep.
Ready to go?
I'm done.
I like it. Beautiful, beautiful, honey.
I'm cool. What for school? I don't know what to do.
Oh! Oh, them your boys, you wrote that?
Yeah.
You the best, honey. What's up, kid? You got some bars for me?
What's up?
She got some bars. You got something for me?
I don't have no bars. I don't have no bars. I don't have no bars.
Ah, at least you honest, huh?
I'm honest.
You drizzy? Be honest.
We're about to go to the Riverwalk.
Let's go, kid.
For anything to cast a shadow on the A.O.S.L. So that building could not be built until after it was.
What's up, kid?
We're going on a boat.
My brother's being a hater.
I sound like the Green Goblin like this.
Gotta go fast.
Is it me going crazy or the water is moving?
Is it what?
Is it me going crazy or just me going to the water just the boat moving?
What are you talking about, bro? You're losing it.
Sorry.
Straight gibberish. Losing your mind, Green
There's a
Goblin.
clip on earring.
I've been doing this for a long time, but if you find yourself in the river, don't panic. Just stand up and walk on out, because it's only 3 or 4 feet deep. So feel free to talk to the people next to you. Just do so quickly, quietly, and discreetly. You know, movie theater mode. Do you guys believe in ghosts? Let's see what happens, shall we? Anybody hear it?
Yeah.
All right, don't be afraid, folks. I promise that's not a ghost. We don't have to stop the boat there and honk the horn to let them know that we're on our way. Everybody, take a look at this bridge you're about to go underneath. This is the Dolorosa Street Bridge. Can you guys see shiny metal things on top? Those are padlocks. The locals call this Love Lock Bridge because tourists come here to San Antonio. They propose on Marriage Island, get married on Marriage Island, then they bring a padlock and they lock it onto that bridge. And then they take the keys to the padlock and they throw them in the river. Now they say whoever comes all the way here to San Antonio to do that with their sweetheart, your love will last forever. This is the Selena Bridge, named after Selena Quintanilla Perez, a superstar of Tejano music. And this bridge was featured
That's not her.
Selena, starring Jennifer Lopez. Look on the right-hand side. That cream-colored building across the street is the Mocara Hotel, made in 2003. The natural portions of Henry Deegan Valley.
Hey, are you hungry? Yeah.
And named
She's hungry
after
too.
the first Mexican
Are you hungry?
to be
I'm
elected
hungry,
to
so
the
we
House
have some.
of Representatives. Take a look at these two beautiful hotels in front of us. The taller one, the one on the left, the Marriott River Center Hotel, was made in 1988. Sometimes people ask me, Captain Justice, what's the best restaurant on the Riverwalk? And I always say the answer is all of them, as long as you like Tex-Mex, that is.
Hi, bye, honey.
Everybody, take a look at this bridge you're about to go underneath. This is the Dolorosa Street. It features over 100 retail shops, and there's a giant walk-in aquarium called Sea Life and a giant amusement park called the Legoland Amusement Park.
It is. I knew you would like this area.
Honey, I don't like this area. I love this area.
Love it. How about you, Mom? What you think?
Hungry. Huh? I'm hungry.
You can't tell me you're hungry.
I can't. I'm hungry.
What's up, kid? Hold on, one time for the kick cam. Yeah. What's some mellows? What about you, Nene? Kick cam. I like him. Nene, you so fashionable. I love your jewelry. I love your jewelry, honey. The art scare you? You crazy. Let me see your smile. Say cheese. Yeah. She's getting teeth. Wow. Apple cobbler.
So what did you have earlier? What kind of cobbler did you have earlier?
Barbecue?
You had peach cobbler at a barbecue restaurant.
Nene, what's this?
I'm gonna go. Can I get some? This is the funniest thing I ever seen. This food is so small.
It's way at the bottom, show it.
Look, Nene.
This is good. I love it.
Look at you.
Brownie and vanilla. I like brownies and I like vanilla ice cream. And there's a donut. Look.
Look at his face, Nene.
Look at your face, bro.
Comment down below if your kids drink
Guys,
this.
look.
This is the thing, snapping points. Wipe your face first.
Hi, Nene. Check us out of here, Nene.
I just subscribed to here 100,000,000.
Guys,
Goodbye.
look.
Oh, he crazy.
I know you're gonna dig this.
What's up, game time, man? You ready?
Yep.
So we bang bang? Okay, we
Double game. You ready for the double game?
yeah, you got
Yeah, double game. It's gonna be like 2 hours.
back to back. Yeah, you ready? Hi, Chi Chi. Chi Chi's in the building.
Hi, Jersey. I'm on Los Angeles Clippers.
Yeah, we on the Clips, man. We on the
Yeah,
Clips,
but we
man.
still support the Warriors.
No, we definitely dubs that. Hold on. And one time for the kick cam. Yeah, kick cam. You ready to do this, bro? Hold on. One more time for the back. One time just for the record, man. One time for the record. Bam, man. Number 9, man. We represent, kid.
I want to try like that.
Oh, Chi-Chi. You're crazy. Come on, Pop, we got it, bro. Let's do it. Let's go, Clippers.
Stop that. I was so nervous at that moment. My brain was going off. This was my first championship, my first basketball team ever.
First time ever, so it was all new to you, huh?
Yes, it was all new. Like, I had to learn the basics. I was so nervous. I felt I was gonna lose.
It was tough though, because you got to think the Pelicans have beat us a few times,
Yeah.
and it was real. So like,
Shout out to everybody on my basketball team.
shout out to the Clippers, man, and the Pelicans.
Okay, get to the good part. Get to the fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter, you want to skip everything else?
Yes.
All right. I'm about to skip to the fourth quarter. Let's get to the fourth quarter. Come on, Pop. Shoot it hard. Come on, man. We only up 1. Ah, it's all good. It's good. Don't trip. Let's go, Clipper. Come on, bud. 19 seconds.
Defense, don't let them do nothing.
How about keep the stop? Get down there. Go, let him shoot a 3. Go, let him shoot a 3.
Come on, man!
Watch it.
No!
Come on, it's all good. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. That's it.
Congratulations, big guy!
Line it up. My God. Let's go. Okay.
This I gotta go get the box.
That's right, baby. Chain day, man. Yeah. Good game, Mario, man. Yeah. What's up, bro? Pop? Come on, Pop. Oh my God. Let's go. That's right, baby. Champs, baby.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, man. Put the one up.
What do you say? You with the kid? What's up? What do you say? Champs, y'all did that? You got a W. How you feel?
First, we whooped the Thunder. The Thunder whooped us. And then now, got into the finals. And then, once the finals, we whooped the Thunder back for revenge. And then, we beat the Pelicans for revenge again.
Woo! So how you feeling? You feeling good? No subs. You didn't have no players on the bench. You played that full game. How you feel? You tired? You winded? Let me see the shirt. Hold on, let me see the shirt. You're a rec league champ now, kid. How you feel? That's right, baby. Good game, kid.